Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a fall autumn style set of nails. Really quick and a bit of bling. Enjoy! Right, so I've just removed the last set of nails, so they're already scored. So I'm going to use the nail prep dehydrator to dehydrate the nails again. I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti base coat as soon as these start matting up. You can see this one's already started going. Again, my normal routine, pushing up towards the cuticle, then down the free edge, pulling the skin back. You don't want to get it on the nail. Don't want no like premature lifting. I'm going to do this for all of the nails. Then I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds. Right, pop them under 60 please. Right, so I'm going to use Simplicity from the Urban Graffiti collection. And it's a really nice nude. So I'm going to do 2 thin layers of this. If you want to get a bit closer to the cuticle, just take a thin detail brush and just get up a little bit closer. Looks nice and neat then. Going to continue and do this colour on all of the nails because we're going to do some pretty like 3D art on the top. Okay, and once you're happy with the coverage you can pop them in for 30 seconds please. Right, second coat. Right, pop them under, 30 seconds please. So I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat just to seal the design in, and then all my 3D work is going to go on top of this. Let's pop them in for a minute please. Right, so now I'm going to use the No Nails High Speed because I really want to do these quite quick. Just going to do some little leaves. So I've got Aztec Copper, I think this one's chocolate brownie, Elegance, and then I've got some crystals, some little micro beads. So what I'm going to do is just take off some of the surface shine where I'm going to do my acrylic leaves. So just slightly buffing over that one because I'm doing a straight line down there. And this one, I'm going to get around the cuticle area. Do the same on the little finger. I don't know why I started on the ring finger. And then pointer, I'm kind of going to go across. This is just so that the acrylic doesn't slide on the shiny surface. Just going to wipe over. A little bit of monomer on my brush, dip it in, and then bleeding it. I'm just going to let it sit for a second, and then I can start moving it around. You don't want to keep touching it and adding loads of monomer, otherwise it's just going to slide off. Just keeping the brush quite pointy. Remember, it is high speed, so it will set really quickly. So at the end of like a cuticle pusher, you can just press into the nail. Nice simple leaf, and I'm going to repeat that using a couple of the other colours. Chocolate brownie. Dab it down, and then keeping the brush quite pointy, pressing that down. and drag through. And again, using the cuticle pusher, just pressing it in. There's 2 leaves. I'm just going to add the same on to this one as well. I'm going to go across. This one around the top, this one around the top, and across. I'm just clearing off any extra like acrylic. Right, so I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti Builder in a Bottle, clear as day. I'm going to use this to attach my stones and bling to the nails. So with this one, I'm just going to put a little bit on the top here, and then what I'm going to use is the Urban Graffiti top coat, because the Builder in a Bottle has a sticky layer and I don't want that. So I paint over the top with the top coat, and I know where I've put the bling. So I know where I've put the Builder in a Bottle is up this end. So I use a little bit of bling. So I've done it like this so that there's no sticky layer. Once this has gone into cure, it's done then. And the Builder in a Bottle is a little bit thicker than just using a top coat, so it'll really secure the stones. So I'm going to do that for the whole rest of this design. And once you're happy with them, I'm going to pop them in for a minute, please. Right, so I've left the thumb to last, because when you put your hand in the lamp, sometimes they like to slide off. So I didn't want that. I'm just going to buff over the area I'm going to stick the gems to, wipe off using clear as day, just in this top corner here, and then the Urban Graffiti top coat. happy with that if you can hold on to the bottom of the lamp for me, like that way. Because I haven't top coated over the leaves, I'm gonna go on with the brush on glow, tiny little bit over the leaves. Stops them from going like flat and keeps them nice and shiny. And then now with the nail cuticle oil, I'm using peach. Reminds me of sweets. I'm gonna rehydrate my fingers. And there we have a nice little like autumn, fall inspired set of nails with some leaves, a little bit of bling, just like nice and natural. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below and I'll see you next time. Bye!